Let's start an overhand on the right and sweep back to underhand, up over the top into overhand weave. Open it up, sweep back again, up over the top, back into overhand weave again. Open it up one more time, sweep back again, up over the top into overhand weave. And now we're going to sweep to underhand. Then we're going to sweep around back to underhand and come into underhand weave on the left side. Open it up, sweep all the way around, come into underhand weave on the left side. Open it up, sweep all the way around, back into underhand weave on the left side. And then one more time, open it up, sweep all the way around into underhand weave on the left side. And then turn into chasing the sun. So we're going to turn right just into the chase. Okay, now we're going to add some movement. And we're going to start on the right, sweep back left, step your right foot forward, sweep over left, sweep back right, step your left foot forward, sweep over the top, and you're back where you started. Sweep back, sweep over, sweep back, step right, sweep left, sweep right, step left, sweep over, overhand weave, walk it forward. Now we're going to put the left foot forward. We're going to do a right hand 360-degree turn in the weave. And now have your right foot forward. We'll do a left turn 360. And we're back to overhand on the right side. Now we'll add the sweeps in again. We'll sweep turn with the switchback. So sweep back, step right, sweep over, no step, sweep back, step left, sweep over, back to overhand weave, do a right turn 360, moving to the right side, and then we're going to do a left turn 360, and then open it up, and we'll do the sweep, switch back again, and 5, 6, 7, 8, sweep back, step right, sweep over, sweep back, step left, sweep over, overhand weave, left turn, step your left foot back, left, step your right foot forward, open it up, sweep back, step right, sweep over, sweep back, step left, sweep over, overhand weave, open it up, spread your legs, stall right between the legs, turn left to overhand butterfly, take out left, take out right, go up left, go up right, take out left, take out right, go up left, go up right, and back to butterfly, take out left, turn 180 to underhand butterfly, and bring the right point in on the back side, so facing away from me, take out left, turn 180 back to front, go into overhand butterfly, take out right, go to the back, turn, come into underhand butterfly on the back, take out right, turn to the front, back into overhand butterfly. So we'll do the left 360 and the right 360 again at that slower pace. Left comes out, you turn to the back, come into underhand butterfly on the back. Then left comes out, turn, right comes in, and you're in overhand butterfly on the front. And now we'll do the right turn. Right take out to the back, turn 180, take your left poi, bring it into underhand, right take out, turn 180, back to overhand.